At shop.regencylighting.com, we've created a very powerful search tool to find products you need quickly and efficiently. Make sure if you have a business account that you're logged in by clicking on My Account and then Sign In. Once you enter your credentials and click Log In, it'll be able to pull up all of your account-specific pricing. If you need to sign up a business account with us, simply click on Business Account Sign Up, fill out our form, and we'll be in touch soon. Across the top of our home page, we have a list of major categories to choose from. Once highlighted, a submenu of items appear. So for example, if I'm looking for a light bulb and I need the halogen technology and I choose the PAR reflector shape, once this item is selected, a catalog page will appear filtered based upon the criteria that was entered. You can scroll up and down and look at the different items that were returned, or if you need to narrow your search down further, use the left panel filters to do so. The more that you add to your filter, the more narrow and condensed your search results will be. Each of our items are listed on an individual card with our picture, a manufacturer's name, and helpful attributes including technical information on the product to help you select the item that best fits your needs. You'll also see your price and how many items that we have in stock. To add the item to your cart, simply adjust to the quantity that you need and hit Add to Cart. To clear your filters and search for another item, click on the X's underneath selected filters. Another way to search is by using the Products toolbar at the top of our page. Once you start typing in a part number, all of the results will automatically filter down to what is typed. If you're having trouble finding the product that you need, you can always use our helpful chat feature and talk to an expert right away.